Season 3 of HBO's hit TV show White Lotus took place in Koh Samui, Thailand, and it definitely had a significant impact on Koh Samui as a tourist destination. But the impact was perhaps not what you might have expected. This is what we will look at today on Lighthouse Quick Takes. So White Lotus, it is an incredibly popular HBO show, and its season 3 premiere was watched by 2.4 million viewers across HBO and Max on its opening night in February 2025, making it the show's highest rated premiere to date. Now, like I mentioned, this was season 3 of the show, which has become known for not only very twisted storylines, but also showcasing the natural beauty and scenery of wherever that season of the show is taking place. Thailand, in the case of season 3. Now, the subsequent interest in tourism to the show's host destination has been dubbed the White Lotus effect, but I want to show you guys something interesting we have discovered in the data. So, this is search demand data for travel searches to Koh Samui, Thailand, and right here we have the year-over-year percentage growth in flight and hotel searches starting in February 2025, which is the month the show premiered. And like I said, this is year-over-year growth in comparison to searches from the same month in 2024. And we could see just how significant that increased demand was for travel to Koh Samui starting right away. Now, April probably jumps out at you all, as well it should, given that it's actually showing negative growth year over year. Now, just to clarify what's happening here, I believe this is due to a bit of a data anomaly from April 2024, driven by the extended Songkran Festival, which is Thailand's traditional New Year celebration. It is typically just a few days each year from April 13th to 15th, but in April 2024, what is typically a 3-day holiday was officially extended to most of the month of April in an effort to stimulate the tourism economy and encourage longer stays. So I believe this is why year-over-year growth in April 2025 was actually negative, because this extension of the Songkran calendar to most of the month really drove up those search demand numbers in April 2024. So, if anything, this is just a friendly reminder of how one-off events can skew data and create unique market anomalies. But anyway, I digress. So, again, notwithstanding the effects of the extended Songkran calendar in April, we see really sizable year-over-year growth metrics for both flights and hotels. Now, let's add in the year-over-year growth metrics in hotel pricing. And what we can see here is just how disproportionately hotel pricing grew relative to the surge in hotel and flight searches following the White Lotus premiere. We even see year-over-year decreases in pricing in each May and June, which is crazy considering the spike in search demand that we saw. Hoteliers are generally quick to capitalize on phenomena like this, as these are hotel pricing opportunities that hoteliers can really maximize on. So, what might have been impeding hoteliers in Thailand from really maximizing on this? One theory I have is a decline in Chinese travelers. According to official Thai statistics, China was the largest feeder market for tourism in 2024. From January through May of 2025, inbound Chinese tourism to Thailand was down nearly 33% year over year. Now, one possible reason for this could be the Thai baht appreciating in value relative to the Chinese yuan, making Thailand a more expensive travel proposition. Another reason could be safety concerns Chinese travelers have expressed over traveling to Thailand. And these are all possible reasons why Thailand had struggled to drive pricing the way that search demand metrics indicate that they should perhaps be able to do. Anyway, this is a reminder that the White Lotus effect is definitely a real, measurable phenomenon that can create a perfect storm of demand. Hoteliers need to use market intelligence and dynamic pricing strategies to understand and capitalize on these trends in real time. And of course, there could be other factors at play. Case in point here, being able to track visitor origin numbers is similarly crucial to determine if there might be other factors when determining pricing strategies. Now, these are all key considerations hoteliers must factor into their rate setting to avoid leaving money and demand on the table. Thank you as always for joining. My name is Blake Ryder, and this has been Lighthouse Quick Takes.